Steel welding techniques are an art form, a delicate dance between man and machine. The heat, the sparks, the precision required to fuse two pieces of metal together seamlessly. It's not just about joining two pieces of steel, it's about creating a bond that is strong, durable, and reliable. There are different techniques for welding steel, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. From MIG welding to TIG welding, each method requires skill, practice, and a steady hand. The key is to find the right balance between heat and pressure, ensuring that the weld is strong and free of imperfections. But welding steel is not just about technique, it's also about passion. A true welder is not just a technician, but an artist, creating something new and beautiful out of raw materials. It's about taking pride in your work, knowing that every weld you make is a testament to your skill and dedication. So next time you see a piece of steel that has been expertly welded, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that went into creating it. It's not just a piece of metal, it's a work of art, a testament to the skill and dedication of the welder who created it.